Hello mga ka-donuts! Welcome again sa aking kusina. It's rainy afternoon and today I wanna share with you one of my favorite recipe. I am going to cook chicken rice and here are my ingredients. I have here basmati rice. The rice, you can use normal rice, but for me, basmati rice is more nicer. And then we have here black pepper, sliced ginger, rock salt, sesame seed, sesame oil, soy sauce, water, and of course we have the main ingredients, the chicken. The chicken I prefer to use chicken legs. So, samahan niyo po ako guys. Let's do this. First, we have to marinate the chicken with pepper and salt, and also we put some sesame oil. Okay. So first, we make sure the chicken has enough salt. And then we put some pepper, like 1 teaspoon. And then let's marinate it first. And we put some sesame oil. Like 3 tablespoons or more. Then we mix it with our hands. You can put more salt and pepper if you think it's not enough. It depends on how much chicken you are going to use. Okay, and then we also put some soy sauce. Okay. This one, guys, we have to use a lot of ginger, so it's more tastier and the smell of the chicken will go away. No smell afterwards. Okay. Then we put some water. Okay. And you can add soy sauce if you like. But it's not salty. Okay. Then I have a steamer here. This one. Like that. Then our chicken in. Then we cover it and we steam it for 45 minutes. Okay? See you later, guys. I'm back, mga ka-donuts! After 45 minutes, ito na po ang aking chicken. Now, next step, we have to take it out from this one and put it in the extra bowl. And let it cool for a while. Okay. And then we have to cook our rice first. I already washed my rice. And then the next step is we put the gravy from the chicken rice. Usually, guys, I fry my rice first with sesame oil. But this time no need because I use basmati rice. Okay? So let's pour the gravy on the rice. Okay. Okay. Just enough for the rice to cook. You can put the ginger into it. It's okay. It doesn't matter. You because the ginger, it makes the taste so great. Okay, let's cook the rice first, and I see you later for our chicken. Okay guys, next step, our chicken. Let's do our chicken. Okay, we put in a baking tray, one by one. Okay, and then we put salt on it. To make it crispy and tasty. Turn it upside down. Okay, and turn it upside down again. And then we put sesame seed on top. Make sure that everything got it. Okay. And then I already preheat my oven to 200 earlier. So when we put the chicken, we have to reduce the heat to 150 first. And then later on, when it's nearly done, we can put it a bit higher to make the chicken crispy. So that's it. Let's put the chicken in and see what happens next. Chicken is in, guys. So now we reduce the heat. And then we put the timer for 1 hour. Okay, now it's on, guys. And then we wait until the chicken is done. So I see you later, guys. Hello guys, I'm back! After an hour, ito na po ang aking chicken rice with matching cucumber salad in the side. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell button para updated kayo sa mga videos ko pang i-upload. Thank you for watching guys! See you next time! Bye! Let's eat! Ciao!
そうよ野谷さんそうよ野谷さんそうよ野谷さんそうよ